pay for a service that auto-generates content for me and posts it directly to Simple File Upload blog without me even having to look at it. And I've been wanting to get rid of it for a while, but I haven't because it seemed like really complicated because they're pulling in Google Search Console data and then they're pulling in SERP data, like what is actually showing up in search results right now. And so it felt a little scary, but I have finally figured it out. I'm using OpenClaw. If you don't have OpenClaw or don't want to set it up, that's totally fine. You can do this with Claude Code. But here are the critical pieces. To get good SEO friendly content, you have to bring in relevant stuff, right? So you have to hook up your own Google Search Console and you have to see what the current results are. You have to find the content gaps. That's what I think a serious SEO marketer would tell you, and then write content to fill those content gaps. And so that is what I did. I built an AI agent that does that entire pipeline. And now I'm going to show you how you can do it too. On my screen right here is my existing Google Search Console script. So what we're going to do is we're going to build a pipeline where we connect keywords anywhere to Google Search Console, to a content brief, to actual content, to my Ghost CMS blog. The real power with agents is tying things together. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to build this pipeline in order to have something we want done for us. If you look in my terminal, you will see the script I'm using for Google Search Console. I will make that script available to you, but I just vibe coded it with Claude. So you can just tell Claude, write me a Google Console or write me a script to pull in Google Search Console data. So let's see what it actually does. I talk to my bot in Telegram, and so I'm going to ask it to pull the Google Search Console report. So you can see it basically live streams me this report, show me the keywords everywhere report. This is another script that I wrote with Claude Code and I put on my Hetzner box. You could have OpenClaw write this script for you. I'm just trying to save money. Okay, so with this report, you can see the keywords, the monthly volume, the cost per click, and the competition. And the best part about this system is you can see here it went ahead and did the best opportunities cross-reference with Google Search Console. So that's what I mean when I talk about building a pipeline. It's actually Google Search Console, keywords everywhere. Next, run the SERP report and cross-reference that to these opportunity. So I have a third script, which is based off of Google Search. And the script actually runs the Google search to see what is trending in this topic right now. So based off of now 3 pieces of data, keywords everywhere, my Google Search Console, and the SERP analysis, it's going to give me a recommended content priority. Amazing. You can see it not only gives me the content priority, but it tells me why. Right first, file upload widget. Okay, now it's going to write me a content brief using the Claude API. Okay, so now it's given me a complete content brief, and look at how amazing this is. We have a target keyword, we have the volume, so I can see what's happening. I never thought to target file upload widget, even though I use the word widget all the time. I don't think I have it anywhere on my website. Like, this is such an obvious thing I had not done. We have search intent mixed. Okay, fair enough. Recommended title. Okay, we're doing a comparison. That's fine. It even gives me a meta description. Like, this is so impressive. So it's doing the SEO competitor analysis for me. So we have taken keyword analysis, we have taken existing keyword data, we have taken competitor analysis and put that all together. And look, it's even prompting me. This is what's so cool about this. It's even prompting me and asking me if I want it to write the article, which I do. Yes, and publish to my blog. Okay, you can see here, it says it's writing and publishing. And that is because I previously set up my Ghost CMS. So the CMS I'm using is Ghost. You may be on a different CMS. There are many CMSs. You may not be on a CMS. Either way, you can auto-publish with this agent to your blog. So if you're using Ghost, I'll show you how to do that real quick. Here in Ghost, if you go to your Ghost page, you go to Settings, Integrations, just click Add Custom Integration, and that will give you the API keys that you need in order to let your bot publish to your website. Let's go back. Okay, and it published it. Let's check. So this is it on Ghost. Let's open it. Oh, look at that. So now I could come back to my bot and I can say, this is great. You did good. I like to, tell the AIs they're doing great. Can you do this every week after running the GSC reports? So the entire pipeline is GSC, SERP data, and then write and publish one piece of content. And then my agent will schedule that. And then every week, it's going to pull in my existing relevant data, identify the highest opportunity using AI analysis, and publish a new blog post to my website.